everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make a puppy ramp. Now this very first section of this tutorial, I didn't video it. It wasn't until I started making it that I decided to video it. Now what you need to do to make the puppy ramp is you need 3 boxes all the same size. The same height, all the same dimensions. Now you're going to take 2 of those boxes, and what you're going to do is you're going to mark 3 inches from the bottom of one and right up to the top right hand corner of the second box, just like this. You can clearly see the pencil mark 3 inches from the bottom on that first box, and I've angled it right up to the top corner of the second box. I did leave the flap on that one because that'll help when we start to build the ramp together. Now get yourself a Stanley knife or a sharp pair of scissors. You mark that mark on both sides, and then on the front you'll do the same. You'll draw a line. Cut that out because we're going to glue and sellotape these 2 pieces together. Muttley's inspecting the work. Once we've got it all stuffed inside there, and then this one will be up here like this. If I take these out of Muttley's way, and this box will go here, and hopefully it's not going to be too steep for him. I'm going to put a flat part here, so if you just imagine that's going to have a square piece on there, and that'll be better that way, like that. And we've made our own puppy ramp. I'll go and find some more cardboard and put a flat piece on the top, and I'm going to make sure it's all stuffed in so it doesn't collapse when the puppy stands on it. And Muttley's helping again. Right, can I have that back? Muttley, are you helping? Good boy. He's helping to make his own ramp. Now I'm going to stuff this area with the really tight newspapers, and then I'm going to bring all these flaps back up on this box. I've made this ramp part like this. I've made this ramp part like a big flip of a lid. So that'll just go down. I've got 2 on there. I've got 1 already in there. I've got 1 already there. So that's made that really tough. It's good for a puppy. It won't be so good for a grown-up dog, but then a grown-up dog's not going to need a ramp anyway. So it's going to be good for a puppy. So once I've got all these flaps all glued down, I've put glue on this big long part underneath here. I didn't show you that. And I've put glue here to glue this part onto there. Once I've got that glued on, I'll put some more tape around to hold this. And inside here, it's just stuffed up papers again. Now it is going to be it's quite light, but it's going to be solid enough for a puppy just to get on here and run up here, so that, because the dachshund has got really small legs, you've got to be very careful with their back. So my dachshund, little puppy, where is he? Muttley. Oh, you're down there. Here's Muttley down here. Say hello, Muttley. Say hello. Say hello. Now, as you can see, dachshunds have got, he is a puppy, but, and dachshunds have got really short legs anyway, and he's quite determined to get up. So if you need a little ramp, 3 boxes, 2 of them cut on that sort of diagonal. Don't ask me what the gradient is. It's going to depend on what your sofa's like for your puppy to get up and down there. So once I've got that done, I'll show you the rest of it, how I'm going to finish the rest of it. I will put a piece of rug or carpet all the way up there and up onto the top to give them some grip, because they won't be able to grip that, it's too slidey. What I've done is, this full size of box, this one I didn't cut at all. All I did was I used some old heavy books and I just filled the box with the books, and I've stuffed some newspaper down the sides. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the flaps back down, I'm going to glue them and use some sticky tape. So this is the base of all those boxes. Now I've got this end full of books. So for the slope of the ramp and the top, I just used an old doormat. I had an old doormat, I was going to throw it out. A piece of old carpet, anything that's going to give your puppy some grip as it runs up there or back down. It's a fantastic way just to get a cheap or even free ramp. So thank you all very much for watching, I really do appreciate it. So please subscribe. There is a subscribe button just about there, so if you click the subscribe button, we will really appreciate it. So subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up. So until the next time, happy and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.